How are you? Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Russo in Boston, Massachusetts. And today I'm going to take you aboard the Sailfish 325 dual console. This particular 325 is powered with twin 300 Yamahas with Optimus joystick control. This boat is also available with Mercury for auto power. Here in the cockpit of the 325 dual console, you'll notice the seating is better than anything in its class. You've got port, starboard, aft. You've got a stationary seat here with storage, along with the fold-away seat here. And when these seats are all in the up position, you'll notice this is an enormous cockpit for fishing, entertaining. Moving forward, accordion countertops. You can get an optional electric grill here or storage, as well as an isotherm refrigerator and tackle or storage. Freshwater sink here. You've got an abundance of storage in this boat, and this here is your cockpit table storage dedicated, which does go in the aft. Here at the well-appointed helm, you'll notice this again has the optional Optimus joystick control, Garmin GPS, and a dual helm seat with dual bolsters. Port side, you've got another double width seat here, very comfortable. And also port side, you've got a full appointed head here, vacuum flush toilet, accordion countertops, and freshwater sink. Moving forward, again, very easily you can shut this off, and this will allow you where you have full protection behind the windshield and the door. Here in the bow, you'll notice this is a very, very deep bow, deepest in its class. Keeps you very dry, very safe as well. And here, a neat little trick starboard side behind the helm, you've got a great storage area. Thanks again for joining me on this 325 dual console Sailfish. Dave Barodinelli with Russo MarineMax of Boston. Reach me and my cell phone anytime at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.